Hey guys, what's going on? I'm doing a Minecraft video, and today I'm doing a server. The server's called Infinity Craft. The IP will be in the description, so this is a spawn. Yeah. I've been playing on the server. I know about this place. Pretty fun. Connor will hire Moxie Admin. The owner's Bobby3605. I'm pretty good friends with him. And so, yeah, they have an enchanting room. They have a ton of plugins. It's a premium server. So, yeah. Sorry about the small screen.